It's okay, Nay, and I'm back with you with another YouTube video. Today I will be showing you how to create your very own one and only Drake inspired DIY finesse shirt. I went thrifting today with one of my friends and he found a Tennessee sweatshirt and wanted me to turn it into a finesse shirt. So here we are. Let's get into it. To begin this project, I use a seam ripper and sewing scissors. I also use a chalk pencil and tweezers, but those two are not needed, but I advise you to use them. Here I am marking with a chalk pencil the pieces that I'm going to take out with my seam ripper. Here I have my seam ripper and I'm taking out parts of letters to create the word finesse.
Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week is more your thing than mine. I can't even hide. I'd rather stay inside. I can't lose to this high. Can't be in a room with you but stand on different sides. One thing at a time. I'd have to learn to hide. One thing at a time. Emotions running high.
So I got all the letters off. I just need to clean it up now. And then you have your little finesse. But I'll go ahead and start that now.
You stay on my mind.
So I have these scissors that I'm using. I didn't put it in the utensils that I use because they're not needed. I was doing the absolute most, and I didn't know that if I flipped the shirt inside out that I could easily take out the threads from the inside. So if you ever decide to make sure like this, go from the inside and start taking the threads out because it's much easier.
You and your sister, who had to handle, things would get canceled. I would make time for you.
If you're going for a rough look, then this next step is not needed at all. But because I wanted to make sure the shirt did not unravel and I want it to look a little cleaner, I decided to go ahead and sew the ends that I cut off just to make sure they look a little bit better.
So, finesse. I see you finesse. He can your finesse. You stay on my mind. You stay on my mind. It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can no finesse. You stay on my mind.
This is the finished product of my finesse shirt. I hope you all enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.